Friends, welcome back. You want to take a trip to Seussville and click on shop. Take a look at some of Dr. Seuss's personal artwork and step into his imaginary world. These are the artworks that inspired the places and some of the characters that you meet in his books. For this assignment, you're going to open up a new document, File New. You are creating a web image. So you're going to select web from the top. It is a large image. I'm using a landscape, but you can choose portrait if you like. And I started with a white background. If you prefer a transparent one, you can use a transparent one. This is my finished image. And let's go ahead and turn off some stuff here and start with the earth and the sky. Both of these are made by taking a soft brush and doing fat strips of color and then going back in with our good friend the smudge tool and smearing it around just like it were finger paint. My dwelling starts off as a line dwelling and then it has a color layer. Now I have a human and he lives in a house. But if you drew Max the reindeer or the cat in a hat or one of the fish, you might have a completely different dwelling. You want to draw three things that help define where that person lives, that character lives. So I have an umbrella because it's really hot. And I have a cactus. I drew one cactus and then I made copies, and that's how I got to 5. So you want to start with 3 things and then use your powers of duplication to really pump it up. Now this cactus looks pretty earthy. I made a few copies and changed the size and changed the color, but maybe I'll go back in and kind of make the arms a little wavy. I brought my guy in using copy and paste, and he came in with his white box, but using the layer mask, oh sorry, I gotta click the layer mask to enable it again. I am using the layer mask. I covered up the white. He looks good. And you want to have something that your character likes. This guy likes ice cream, so I put one in his hand. This is your opportunity to make your own world and add the character that you made in the first part of the drawing exercise. Have fun.